Oh, look at this. I guess this is the vlog today. We're out in the blizzard. This is the blizzard of Colby 2016, 2017. Look at this. Oh, man. Okay, hey there, YouTube. Good Sunday morning. As you can see, I'm weirdly dressed up in a giant coat. And I'm out here in the elements with my weather-sealed camera. Can't really see it, but it's right there. I'm mounted on it. So I guess we're going to see if I get any sort of photos. It's probably not going to be the right conditions for that. Usually good snow photos are taken after the storm, not during it. But I did want to test my weather sealing, so I guess we're going to see. Might be a different type of vlog today, or I should say, yes, it's going to be a different type of vlog today. Look at this. This is crazy on the garage here. Everything's coated. My expensive scooters and skateboards, they're all coated in snow. Pretty sure my skateboard's at work, though, so I guess that's probably good because that would have been pretty much ruined. Okay, well, let's get into the vlog for today. My camera hand here just bare. It's not super cold out here actually. Like I said, 30 degrees. So it's definitely not like 10 or -5 or whatever. Just the blizzard that's pretty crazy. Things to be said for getting photos before the blizzard, during the blizzard, after the blizzard. During the blizzard, you're going to get footprint-free photos. Not necessarily the coolest thing, but there's something to be said for that in certain cases. By the basketball, you can see how that looks. Running through the snow, woo! Right into the blizzard. Whew, I've run in snow like this before. I run every single day. So this is official my review of the Canon 1DS Mark II. I'm shooting this thing in the snow today. If it can survive this, it can survive anything. Crazy. Hopefully it can survive this. Dashing through the snow, when my hopes hoping to sleigh. Through the snow we go, laughing all the way. Oh, and then we slip. Nope, fine. It's still a little bit unmelted on the bottom. Okay, heading back home. Really trusting the auto exposure system of this camera today. Just gonna see how well that works. I think I'm all ready to turn in. It's cold and crazy out here. Well, this thing's supposed to be able to handle it. That's definitely a lot of water / snow on this thing here. So it should be good. Good test for sure. Super wet snow. See how the photos turn out of that. As I said, no clue. that's about all I got for the Sunday vlog. I know it wasn't much. Hopefully I had some artsy shots in there and hopefully like the photos. I'm pretty sure, or no, I'm 100% sure that I shot an aftermath thing with that camera on this camera. I might have used this card right here. This is a card I've had for about 4 years and it failed. No, actually more like 6 years, and it failed yesterday. I didn't think I lost anything sufficient on there. I had a couple minor things, but I didn't think there was anything major on there, and I might have lost that. So anyway, this is the outro for that vlog. As you can see, on Tuesday, this lens and camera combination is bone dry and working great. But I mean, when I say it was soaked, you couldn't see in the GoPro there. Sorry, the GoPro was also soaked and really couldn't see. The entire camera was covered and dripping with water. It was pretty crazy. So anyway, this thing survived with flying colors. Let's see if I can get turned on here. So you can see I have this thing turned on here and just focuses, takes photos just fine. Fully working. So that's good. Anyway, that's where I'm ending off the Sunday vlog for today. Like I said, this is Tuesday, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe below if you enjoyed. A little bit different, a little bit unconventional, but with the whole blizzard, didn't feel like doing much else besides what I did. No out. Goodbye.